What's up guys, it's Romeo from WebOriginal. Welcome to the first video in our Reconnaissance and Scanning series. So if we go to the applications and type Keepnote, then we'll see it there. So I have one that's already populated with some information. Actually, the first video that we're going to be covering on Reconnaissance is not necessarily about Reconnaissance, but what to do when you get information that you've scanned. So we're gonna go over note keeping. So you could see all the options that are here. You could search, formats, views, different tools and so forth. And you could change the name if you wanted to change the name of your Keepnote folder. So you could change this to the target and company information or company name. This is where we're gonna keep all our information that we've gathered from the scanning and reconnaissance. Information like the URL, physical addresses and stuff like that. Any information that we can gather, then we'll just put it in our keep note for further use down the line. We don't know how it's gonna help us in the future, but it's good to have information like this so that we could refer back to it. So if you wanna add another child page with more specific information that we've gathered, such as like email address, we could do that as well. So there's a lot of editing features in Keepnote. You could change the name, change the font, change the font style and stuff like that, change the font size as well. So just play around with it and yeah, just get yourself familiar with it because chances are we're gonna be going back and forth with adding additional information and just building up our information gathering so we could plan a very targeted attack against our targeted network. So it's pretty easy to use. So just play around with it. Check whatever features it has, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.